So write 5 names in the collection box. So it's 7/8. So there are a number of ways we can do that. One way that we can get another name for 7/8 is we can do 7 times 2 and 8 times 2. We multiply the top and the bottom by the same number, and we get 14 over 16. So we have 14/16. That'll give us something the same as 7/8. Another thing we can do is we can draw a picture. Okay, let's say a rectangle, split it into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we can color in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 out of 8. Okay, we could draw 8 circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we could shade in 7 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We could draw little pictures of houses if we want to, or people, or anything. Okay, we'll draw 8 of them. And then we have to do something with 7 out of 8 of those. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, maybe we circle 7 out of 8 of them, or we do something to indicate that those ones are different. Could draw a circle here, split it into 8 parts, and then I could color in 7 out of 8 of those parts. Okay, so all of these things will be the same as 7/8, and there are also many other things you could do too. These are just some examples. Now for this one, 7/12, you have to cross out the names that don't belong in the collection box, then add one more name. So for 7/12, we have to look at each one separately and say, does it belong there? And the first we have are fractions that could be equivalent fractions or not. So we're going to look at this and say, well, 7 times, and I'll do it over here, 7 times 6 equals 42. Does 12 times 6 equal 72? 12 times 6 does equal 72. Okay, so that's similar to what we did up here. So this would be one. All right, I'm just going to check it so that I know I've looked at it. 7 times 3 equals 21. And 12 times 3 equals 36. So 21 over 36. That works. 7 times 4 equals 28. So you really got to know your times tables too. And then 12 times 4 equals 48. That works. So all of these are good. I don't have to cross those out. Now 7, there's not much times 7 that's going to equal 55 because 7 times 8 is 56. I'm going to cross that out. Now 7 times 5 is going to equal 35. And 12 times 5 is going to equal 60. So 35/60ths is going to work. 7, there's not much times 7 that equals 48, so 7 times 7 is 49, but that doesn't help us. So we're going to cross that one out. And then this is 14/24. That's what this is here, 14/24. And 7 times 2 equals 14, and 12 times 2 equals 24. So that one works, that's good. And now I already actually drew another one because it says add one more name. You could draw one like this, or you can draw the rectangle or anything kind of like this up here. Split it up into 12. We'll do 6 and 6. And then you would color in 7 out of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Color in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's 7/12. Alright, so any of those will work for that. Next, 42. There were 8 leaves on a branch. 3 leaves fell from the branch. What fraction of leaves were left on the branch? Okay, here's the branch. Here's the leaves. It says 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say these leaves fell. Okay, what fraction were left on the branch? 5 out of, we started with 8, so 5/8 are left on the branch. Next, Fran buys a pack of gum with 45 pieces. If Fran chews 5 pieces each day, how long will it take her to finish the pack? What fraction of the pack will she chew each day? So there's 2 questions here. I'm going to answer this one first. What fraction of the pack will she chew each day? So if she chews 5 pieces a day, that's 5 pieces out of 45. You can say that she chews this much each day, 5/45. Okay. Now it wants to know how long it will take her to finish the pack. So you have to figure out how many times 5 goes into 45. And you can just add it up, like you can count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 45, and see how many you get. Or you can just know that 5 times 9 equals 45, and it's going to take her 9 days. Okay, and so what fraction of the pack will she chew each day? We already said it's 5/45, but you could also say 1/9. She'll chew 1/9 of the pack, because if it takes her 9 days to chew it, and she chews one part of this pack every day for 9 days, then she chews 1/9. And 5/45 equals 1/9. So either of those are okay. And it's a good idea to circle your answers too, just so you know where they are on the page. Okay, so this is the second page of the review sheet.